Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Yo, welcome back to the video. I haven't done a video in like 2 weeks, and we got this convict over here, Mr. Old Foot.
You mean crippled?
Mr. Brokefoot.
I'm crippled.
Teddy Brookshot.
What?
First and foremost, before we get into this video, which is not going to be a long video anyways, big shout out to Pure_oil. He's been very supportive for a while now, and he's been supplying me with all my oil, or the car oil needs, or lubricant, or pause, but you get what I'm saying. If you need tranny fluid, if you need engine oil, hit him up. It's gonna be in the description box below. Also,
what's in my car.
Oh, you got it too, right?
I'm running the Amsoil transmission.
Well, you got the synchro mesh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yo, if you have any K-series transmission, please use Amsoil synchro mesh.
Yeah, shit's
the
truth.
Day and night difference.
That's the truth. And as I said, hit up Pure_oil for the plug. You feel me? We got you on the plug. Also, a big shout out to Dreamfest and VMS Racing. If you need anything, hit them up or hit me up, and I'll get you in contact with them for anything, dress up boats, anything that you need. From dress up boats to stuff for your radiator, for wheels, for yeah, anything, dude. They got it. So right now I'm gonna be running the boosted application 5W30 from Amsoil. I'm gonna test it out. Right now I'm getting rid of that pure oil shit, because nobody really knows about pure oil like that anyways. But we're on the Amsoil, as you can see. Boom. And also, I got more stickers in, bro, so if you want to be creative, you can design what color you want.
You got another yellow one?
It's small.
You got one like that? I'm thinking about
That,
getting rid
not
of
that
the
size. No, not that size.
Oh, okay.
But I got some more coming in though. Pause.
Ooh, this sticker is nice.
What, a Dreamfest? Yeah, that shit lit, dude.
Yeah, South Beach for sure. Palm Beach. That's what's up.
But yeah, I haven't really been doing well. Let me not lie. I've been doing stuff behind the scenes on the car. Like, I ran a water temp gauge. It's right here. I ran a new oil pressure gauge, what I got for 20 bucks at Advance.
You showed them how you clean up the interior?
They don't care about this shit, bro. It still needs to be clean. I need to vacuum this shit and then take it out and stuff. But yeah, I cleaned up the interior. I got it cleaned up a lot. So it's pretty dark. Where's my phone so I can get them the light? I don't even know where my phone's at. Hey, boy, forward and clutch. But I got the oil pressure gauge right there. The lines ran behind it, mechanical. I had a electric one, but no, shit trash. Also, I got the water temp, new AFR boost gauges right there. And you know, I'm just doing the damn thing, bro. Just doing the damn thing. But one of the main reasons why I'm doing this video, because I don't know, bro, I haven't really been feeling YouTube like that. I'm not quitting, but you know, I guess you have that moment, or people who do YouTube, motivation. Yeah, they have their moments when they don't feel motivated to do anything, and I think I'm going through that phase.
The definition for that is it's like writers called creative block. Like, you know, it's like somebody who likes to draw and they get blocked. Like they can't come up with something else to draw. So it's like, it's not that I don't have content to record. Yo, I've recorded so much content, dude. Yeah, what's the motivation behind it?
And then I have, like, I started to record and then I just don't. Like, I'll start it, it's going good, and then I'm like,
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
it's like
dude.
a block. Yeah, it's not that you don't have the content. It's like, for instance, you be drawing and you like have the sketch in your hand, and halfway through the sketch you're like,
yeah. So
I got a video coming up next, and I did the same thing too.
Oh yeah, bro. Check out Chris, bro.
I started recording, and then I said, And now I did half the work without showing the video, so now I gotta talk in the rest of my video to explain what I did, because sometimes I just don't feel like picking up the camera. You get there, but it's like a motivation block. You just gotta work through it.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure other YouTubers or creatives will let you know, like, there's like a block. It's like anything. There's like a block, and then you just gotta get through it, and then pick it back up, and you enjoy it again.
True.
Watch, you gonna pick up the camera, and then trust me, you start doing them cinematic stuff. You remember when you were doing the cinematic videos?
Yeah,
you was having fun.
I need to get back on that shit.
Exactly.
Yeah, dude.
Exactly. You got it on the side and everything.
Yeah.
Alright.
That boy Chris decided to change into his merch.
Gotta show support who supports you.
And I kind of did the same. I got into mine. One of one. I got the hoodies that are coming in maybe in a week or so.
Did I pay for them yet?
What?
The hoodie?
No.
I remember I wanted one. Oh yeah,
No,
I
I just
about the size.
Well, because what I'm doing is I getting the demos so I could show everyone how they look and then go from there. So yeah, I'm getting my hoodie in hopefully.
Yo, look at this guy, bro. Yeah, bro. This man putting out effort, got shirts for y'all, hoodies. I think he had cups too.
My sister's doing the cups.
The sister's doing the cups. It's like a whole operation here, yo, man. Yo, for real. Y'all need to go down, pause, hit the like button, subscribe. The man bringing you hella content. AMS oil, K20, on boost, front wheel drive, might go all wheel drive. We don't know yet, but the man giving y'all hella content, man. Do us a favor, hit a like, subscribe. And remember, you have to hit you have to hit subscribe and hit the bell notification, because if you don't, because of YouTube, you won't see the videos. Trust me. I don't like the notification things, and sometimes I don't even know when he uploads, and it doesn't pop up until later in the day. So hit subscribe, hit the bell on the notification. You got to hit the bell. When you hit the bell, you guys will see it when it pops up right away, and you won't be like, hey, look, I didn't know you uploaded today, when he did. So do that, please, for me, Alan Spence. All right.
Oh, also on another note, be sure to go ahead and give Dre's Racing Channel, please do me the solid, give him a follow on Instagram at Dre's Racing Channel. Exactly. YouTube at Dre's Racing Channel, and also check out his website. He has bolts like titanium intake and exhaust bolts, and he got merch. Check out his merch. Tell him Ron from Kbros sent you, and do us a solid, give him a shout out. And all the other homies, you already know, they're in the drop down box below. Do us that solid and get that done. Hello. So yeah, I'm gonna continue with this oil change, and I'll probably pick the camera back up when I'm done. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Smell it, you right here.
Didn't even start.
Got the car started. As you can see, I got the water temp. Car's warming up. Wideband is working. Boost. And I got the oil pressure right here. Kind of looks dark, but yeah, it's working. So yes, sir. Big shout out once more, once again, to Pure_Oil. Big shout out. I really appreciate you, bro. You've done nothing but looked out for me, and I can't really thank you enough for supporting me and this car. And yeah, bro. And I changed the fog light back to the orange one, because I got rid of, yeah. No, I'm just saying I changed the fog light back to the yellow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There she is, boys. There she is. That's my baby. All right, y'all boys. So in other news, the other EK sedan, Emira's EK sedan. How you doing?
How's it going?
With Emira's EK sedan, we are doing some work to that. We're actually changing the fender. We're gonna get the engine bay painted. We have quite a few things to do for that. So Saturday we're gonna be going on the road. I'll be picking the camera up. I'll try to get motivated to do everything. We've been telling you, Bex. Yeah, so we'll be sorting out Emira's car, getting parts for Emira's car on Saturday, and we'll be going from there. But if you guys really like the video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. Be sure to check out the homies channel. Thank you guys for watching.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
I'm out.